Hello everyone. Does any of you or your friend or relative is suffering from paralysis due to stroke, brain or spinal cord injury? Do you have difficulty in getting up from the bed, doing transfers or using upper limb? Are you unable to get up from the bed and walk, or you have frequent fall due to neurological diseases? Are you unable to attend or avoid social activities and gathering? Do you feel embarrassed to go out or communicate in society due to your disability? If you think you lost the game of life, then we will help you get back in the game and be the winner you deserve. Are you ready to take back control of your life? Don't worry, we will provide you one-stop solution for all your problem and rehabilitate you to get back on your feet and take control of your life by becoming independent again. Welcome to GB School of Neuro Rehab and Aquatic Therapy, a specialty center for neuro rehabilitation of stroke, brain and spinal cord injury. School is an institution designed to provide learning spaces and learning environment for teaching of students and preparing them for life. GB School is also providing optimum learning space and environment for your learning and training you for life after neurological diseases to become an active and productive member of family and society. This is the largest rehab center in Pune dedicated only for neuro rehabilitation, equipped with advanced equipment for your training. We have trained team of physiotherapists, occupational therapists, speech therapists, orthotists and dietitian for giving comprehensive rehab. They are working under the guidance of neurotherapist Dr. Gajanan Bhale Rao. He is a master of neurophysiotherapy and he is certified in adult NDT, aquatic therapy, motor learning and PNF courses. Dr. Gajanan Bhale Rao has 17 years of clinical experience in neuro rehab and 12 years of teaching experience. This video will give you overview of advanced equipment and neuro rehab practice at GB School. Neuro rehabilitation is divided into basic training, which is for acute patient or patient who are weak. Second module is intensive training module, which lasts for 3 to 4 hours. It is given for stable patient who doesn't have any cardiovascular complications, which is divided into foundation rehab, upper limb training, strength training and balance and gait training. In advanced training module, we use advanced equipment which will facilitate learning and faster recovery. In intensive training, the first module is a foundation rehab module. In this module, we work on preparing the foundation for intensive training of the patient. In this, we work on training of the bed mobility such as rolling, shifting in the bed and supine to sit. In this training, we work on facilitating the trunk control, upper limb control and lower limb control to improve their mobility. After exercises in lying down, we focus on their upright control training such as sitting balance and standing balance training. As the patient gets good sitting balance control, we start training them wheelchair transfer. In this, we train them from bed to chair transfer and from chair to bed. Patients also get trained for wheelchair to car transfer for improving their commuting. After foundation rehab, intensive training of 2 to 3 hours starts with high frequency, high repetition and high intensity. In strength training module, we focus on strengthening of the trunk, upper limb and lower limb. In this, the exercises are designed based on the muscle strength. For weak muscle, we start with the equipment which gives maximum support and stability, but we can still do lot of repetition with high intensity, and then progress to sitting position or vertical position strength training exercises, in which we first focus on strengthening the trunk control and then gradually move to the lower limb control, starting with the lying down position exercise, then strengthening of the lower limb and trunk combined such as pull to stand or sit to stand exercises. As they get a good dynamic control, we start with lower limb strengthening exercises using rowing or leg press or standing cross trainer. This will improve their dynamic stability in standing. In standing, we start with strengthening of hip flexor, extensors and abductor using hip strengthening machine. Along with this, we also start working on strength training of the upper limb using multi-gym exercises. We have modified equipment for strengthening of weak upper limb. There is a separate upper limb training module for paralytic upper limb for facilitation of upper limb control. Getting improvement in hemiplegic upper limb can be very difficult, but we have specialized equipment and exercises designed to improve their control, ranging from weak muscle control to the stronger muscles. Usually only 10 to 30% of the hemiplegic shows improvement in upper limb, whereas most of our patients shows improvement in upper limb and hand control, and they start using it in their daily activities. This is achieved by giving intensive practice and repetition of exercises and activities involving shoulder, elbow and hand together in task specific activities instead of working on individual muscles or joints. Patients are encouraged to engage in activities of gross motor and fine motor control based on their lifestyle and job demand. This keeps them motivated and active in training instead of doing and practicing boring non-specific exercises and movement. Next module is balance and gait training. In this we work on dynamic standing balance, indoor walking, outdoor walking and stair climbing. Standing balance and walking training starts in the parallel bar to teach them sit to stand, balance standing and stepping exercises. This pre-walk training in parallel bar prepares them for walking with the walker. As the patient are able to walk with good stability in the parallel bar, then we start making them walk with the help of walker and the calipers. In beginning, therapists assist in the stepping during the swing phase and provide stability in the stance. As the person gets good control, therapist will reduce the assistance and patient will start stepping on their own. Most of our hemiplegic learn walking independently within 3 to 6 months, and 90% of the paraplegic learn walking independently with walker and caliper within 2 to 4 months. And more than 50% of the patient learn walking with short caliper within 6 months to 1 year based on their severity and complications. We have varieties of advanced rehabilitation equipment to facilitate the motor control and strength to enhance faster recovery. Hand opening is the biggest challenge in hemiplegic. Functional electrical stimulation and neuromuscular electrical stimulation is used to enhance the hand opening in hemiplegic. Functional electrical stimulation for improving foot clearance during swing phase of walking helps in reducing abnormal pattern of gait in hemiplegic and paraplegics. Robotic assisted training helps in controlling the desired direction of movement and reducing abnormal trick movements. It will give assistance in weak muscles and it gives resistance and challenge as the control improves in the upper limb. It has different games to keep the training more interactive, engaging and fun. Patient doesn't get bored even after doing hundreds of repetitions during these gaming activities. Virtual reality games can be used in neurological patients to improve balance using Xbox 360 Kinect and Wii Nintendo games. Bodyweight supported treadmill training helps in reducing the body weight on the lower limb and it helps in training of the walking pattern in patients with paraplegia. We also provide aquatic therapy for pediatric and adult neurological patients. Water provides different environment. It reduces the body weight due to buoyancy, can give resistance or assistance during movement, and supports body from all sides. Due to this, paralytic patient finds ease of movement during aquatic therapy. It also helps in reducing fear of fall and gives more freedom of movement for those patients who find difficult to move on land due to effect of gravity and weight. Aquatic therapy can be used for reducing spasticity, stiffness of joint, improving strength and mobility and fitness in orthopedic and neurological patients. It is also effective in improving balance, coordination, and gait in patients with cerebral palsy, stroke, spinal cord injury, orthopedic injury, or patients with geriatric illness. If you have any neuro patient with paralysis, balance disorder, walking difficulty, refer them to this center to get the maximum benefit of excellent rehabilitation and intensive neuro rehab training provided to get the faster recovery. To book your appointment, contact us on the given phone number and email address. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get future updates on neuro rehabilitation.